Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to explore surface area. The surface area of a shape is the area of the outer layer or layers of a three-dimensional shape. The surface area of the Earth is about 510 million square kilometers, and about 70% of this is the water or the oceans. Alright, so the surface area of a cube is the area of all six faces added together. Let's take this cube and let's unfold it to get this two-dimensional net. Notice it has six sides and they're all squares. If we calculated the area of each of those squares and added them all up, that would give us the total surface area of the cube. The surface area of a cuboid is exactly the same as a cube. It's the area of all six sides or faces added together. So again, if we unfolded this cuboid and got this two-dimensional net, we have six rectangles that make up the cuboid. If we added up the total area of all the six rectangles, that would give us the surface area of the cuboid. Alright, so let's get into example 1. Find the surface area of the following cube. Well, all sides on the cube are 5 centimeters. Let's unfold it to get this net. There are 6 sides and each side is a square, and the square is 5 by 5. So to calculate the area of one of the faces or one of the sides, we're going to go base times height to get a total area of 25 centimeters squared. Now there are 6 sides on the cube, so we need to take 25 and multiply it by 6 sides to get a total surface area of 150 centimeters squared. What does that tell us? Well, I'd need to cut out a small square that's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and I need 150 of these small squares to paste onto the outside of this cube and to cover up the entire surface on all sides. Alright, example number 2. Find the surface area of the following cuboid. Well, I'm going to colour it in to make it a tiny bit easier. If I was to unfold it, this is the net I would get, and there are 2 red sides, one on the front, one on the back. There are 2 green sides, one on the right, one on the left, and there are 2 blue sides, one on the top and one on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to add in a few extra numbers to make this a bit easier. So we've got 15 as the base. We've got the height of 12 and we've got a depth of 18. Alright, so let's work out the surface area. Well, we're going to start with the red sides. The base is 15 and the height is 12. But there are 2 red sides, so I'm going to multiply it by 2. We move on to the green side. The base is 18 and the height is 12. And there are 2 green sides, so again I'm going to multiply that by 2. Finally, we're going to move on to the blue side and we're going to work out base times height, 18 times 15, and there are 2 blue sides, so I'm going to times that also by 2. So now I'm going to add up those areas and get a total surface area of 1,332 centimeters squared. Again, if I had a small square that's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, I would need to cut out 1,332 of these small squares to paste on and cover up the entire surface of that cuboid. Great, thank you very much for watching.